Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering off the headset and folding the cups so you can access edges easily. Once done, find the seam where the foam cushion meets the plastic housing and slip a fingernail or thin, flat tool into that gap. Pull one small section away to release the retaining lip, and then continue around the circumference, peeling steadily to avoid tearing the foam or stretching the fabric. This exposes the cup and any mounting tabs you'll need to align later. After the old pad is off, inspect the plastic mounting ring and remove any foam residue so the new pad sits flush. Cleanliness ensures a proper seal and sound. Next, orient the replacement pad so its notch or microphone hole matches the cup's ports and any wiring channels. Begin tucking the new pad's retaining lip into the cup opposite the original seam. Work in 1/4 turn increments, easing and stretching only as needed so the lip seats. With the pad roughly in place, press around the entire edge firmly and move your fingers to feel that the retaining lip is fully engaged and uniformly seated. Once it looks even, power the headset on and play familiar audio to check the seal and bass response. A proper cushion improves noise cancellation and comfort. If you notice gaps or uneven pressure, remove and reseat the pad, double-check orientation, or swap sides to isolate fit problems. This usually fixes misalignment without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.